Oh my god, it's Wii Fit! Ah!
It's me, Mario!
Okay, so it's Friday, and you probably guessed by the intro I've just got Wii Fit, which is playing on the TV there, and there it is. And I've got quite a lot of things to do today, but I think I'll quickly show you the Wii Fit. Well, I have Wii Fit. My age was 33, which isn't the best, but anyway, I'll have another go at the ski jump. So I'm going to have a go at ski jump. It goes. And I found I'm not best.
You can't believe it.
Oh yeah. Oh! Oh! 133 meters. I don't know if you saw that, but that was my 133 meters. So that's my bit of gaming for today. But I'm going to go and set some challenges now, and I've got some challenges to do. If I could have one game for a month, what would it be? Now, just after playing this is an obsessive game. I think it might be Wii Fit or Zelda Twilight Princess. One of the two, I can't decide. That one's just so obsessive, it's really fun. Yeah. Oh, okay. Next thing, was there another one? Yeah, Joe's one was to do the favourite in-game music. Here goes. This is the Dark Samus music from Metroid Prime 3 Corruption. So I think that's enough of that one. I'm thinking I'm going to have to do a joint set. First one is the Metroid Prime 3 title music. Wait, hurry up and load. That one, and my joint first has to be Zelda Twilight Princess Hyrule Field. going to skip to my favourite bit. But actually every single Zelda song is my joint favourite, because I've got every single soundtrack from every single game on my laptop. So, next thing, I need to set you a challenge. Oh, I've been looking forward to this. Looking forward to it. Ooh. Now this is my challenge. It's also for everyone else in the world. It's a bit like a tag game, but it's got a twist. Instead of saying 5 facts, which is fun, but not as fun as what I'm about to tell you. I'm going to explain it. It's quite confusing. Here's how it works. I'm the starter of it, so I'm gonna do something that I'm good or okay at. I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna tag people. I.e., for me it's Monday, but I'll also tag in my thing 5 people, normal YouTubers. Basically, what you have to do, you have to attempt the thing that I showed you, which I'm good at, and you can pass or fail. And then after that, you show something that you're good at, and then you tag that person to do it. And if they pass or fail, then they tag someone else to do something that they're good at. If you get it, so it's more active. It could be anything, but I tag all the 5 awesome gamers and the 5 people I tag in the comment box. Try and play this. Okay, so I challenge you to try and play Zelda Lullaby on a keyboard if you have one. If you don't have a keyboard or piano, try any musical instrument. It could even be your, whistle. Anything you can do, I challenge you to do that. And also, so I'm tagging also 5 people. Tagging 5 people over there and the rest of our days to try and have a go at that. Then I want you to show something you're good at and tag 5 people. Hopefully it's going to go on the same way all around YouTube and might become as big as Neramon. So that's my challenge for everyone this week. And I don't think I have anything else to say. So that's the end of Friday, I think. Here's the outtakes. Bye. See you soon on next Friday. Oh, by the way, 10 is my lucky number, and this is my 10th day, so I hope this video does well with the 5-fact thing. Yes, that was my weird tip. We fit rules, you must buy it, you must buy it. We fit rules, you must buy it. Oh, it's so hard.